Installation video for our clamp-on under-desk keyboard trays. Assemble the keyboard tray. Align the two halves of the keyboard tray and position the connecting plates over the pre-drilled holes, ensuring proper alignment. Secure the plates to the tray using the provided bolts and tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the keyboard stop. Position the keyboard stop at the back edge of the keyboard tray. Secure the stop to the tray using the provided bolts and tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the sliding brackets to the keyboard tray. With the keyboard tray still upside down, align the sliding brackets with the pre-drilled holes on the keyboard tray. Secure the brackets to the tray using the provided bolts and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Assemble the clamps to the sliding brackets. The keyboard tray can be assembled in two configurations depending on the desired extension distance. In this video, we'll be using the standard assembly method. Attach the clamps to the sliding brackets at your chosen position. Secure the clamps using the provided bolts and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the keyboard tray to the desk. Insert the clamp pads onto the underside of each clamp to protect the desk surface. Position the assembled keyboard tray at the edge of the desk. Tighten the clamps by turning the adjustment knobs clockwise until secure.